Jessica driving on her own. Let's get past the leafy tunnel. I can hear her. I can hear her. There you go. Jessica driving on her own. Look at the lights, remember. Don't need to go too fast. That's it. And you know which one the smoke is, don't you? There you go. It goes. You can leave the smoke on. What's better? The smoke? Oh, I'm getting hit by a tree. No, carry on. Just be aware of your surroundings and the track. And I need to worry about the tree not hitting me in the head. I think this is Jessica's first solo. Because normally I'm on the back end of it. Let's get around here. Jessica, in a minute it'll drop by you, so watch it. In a minute it's going to drop when it goes over this joint, so just be aware. You'll feel it go clunk. This is where I need you to go like this speed. You'll feel it in a minute and it'll go clonk. There, did you feel it clonk? Go on, by here. Right, I'll see you on the other side. Yep, Jessica's first solo trip.
Travel with the Jones kids.
Yeah. Jessica, she's gonna have a cheesy grin on her face now, doing her first solo. As I was just saying, Jessica's first solo. And she's done well. Hopefully she'll give me a smile when she comes into the station. Do you enjoy that? It's good, isn't it? Are you going to carry on? Away you go. Is Rachel on as well? Not careful, I'll hit the trees. There's many trees which have got apples on them, so I have to kneel. But hey ho. Oh, I just got hit by an apple. So yeah, they are going up there. Rachel and Jessica. I've thrown a red to see if Jessica notices. I've not done anything to the track, it's just the light, so even if she goes through the red, We shall find out when she comes up. Let's have a look, see if she notices it. See if she notices. Look where you going, Jessica. She's gone through. Good girl. Right. Figure that out now. I'll change it back over. Good girl, she saw it. Right, let's put it back to blue, green. Hopefully, should be on green. Here you go. She saw the red. Clever. Choo choo! We're going through a tunnel. Right, that's Jessica's driving. I can speak. Yeah, we are actually booked for a couple of weekends to Alton Towers and each month. I think in 2 weeks' time we're going to Alton Towers because Lab Baby's there.
I got the book.
You've got the book, haven't you? Hang on, let me change over because there's a part of it. But yeah, and then next month, September, Oktoberfest, which I booked for only for 1 day, and then October Scarefest, and we're staying. Well, we're not staying in a hotel. We are staying in a hotel just outside Alton Towers, which is a fraction of the price. So we're going over the boom bit now. Here we go. There you go. So yeah, we're back in the tunnel where we started. So yeah, I have to duck all the time, so yeah, we're about to finish last couple of laps and then pack up the train, lock up, turn off everything, and then go home. And then I've got a task of recharging those batteries up for next week. So she's doing quite well actually. Amazed me. And she caught that red light as well, which is a good thing. Leafy tunnel. But yeah. Keep going. We're going into the station. Right. Do you want to take it up to the steaming bay? Actually, I might need to turn it back on. Right, we'll see you in a bit. We've just finished today. Just having a coffee before we leave. Jessica did well. Did you enjoy it? Enjoyed it. So, yeah. As you saw, the videos, it was her first solo. She did really well. She even caught, as I was saying, she even caught that red light. She stopped. So, yeah. But if you... Oh,
Hi.
there's the clown. But yeah, if you like our videos,
And subscribe.
which will be,
Here.
what's that? And subscribe,
Like,
like, comment,
and turn.
and turn the notifications on. And as you know, we're on other platforms, which are Facebook, Instagram,
On YouTube.
and this, which is YouTube. So, hope you enjoyed our videos, and for the future,
Where are we going, Jessica? Tomato, lab baby.
Lab baby.
we're
and
going to
Alton
Lab Baby
Towers.
in Alton Towers
16th.
because it's Runaway Mine Train Takeover, and they'll be there, and you're going to take your book.
And we booked to go on Scarefest.
We have booked to Scarefest.
Peakstone in again.
Yeah,
She's
the
cheap as
Peakstone
chips.
Inn. So
Because I like the Peakstone in.
we do. It's expensive beer, but it's comfy surrounded and warm with that fire.
It's
Yeah.
on fire on.
So, yeah, I booked it. So, other than that, because it's the end of the weekend, what we're going to say?
Bye.